If you look behind the scenes of your business systems right now, does it feel like a clean, solid foundation or a tangled mess? Maybe you're logging into 3 different @gmail.com accounts just to run one business, hoping your forwarding setup doesn't break this week. And at the same time, you're paying $50 or $100 a month for separate tools like Dropbox, Calendly, or document signers because you don't think your Google account can handle it. Totally false. Today, we're going to reduce your tech stack and your mental load in one move by showing you why a simple, secure Google Workspace account in 2026 is the best foundation you can create for your business to solidify your peace of mind. Hello, I'm Amy. I help small business owners replace frustrating, expensive workarounds with seamless Google Workspace workflows. Today, we are looking at the important differences between a free personal Gmail account and a professional Google Workspace account in 2026. And you'll learn why Google Workspace is the first thing you should spend your money on, not the last. Leave a comment below and let me know, are you currently running your business on a free @gmail.com email address, or do you already have an email ending with your custom domain? And be sure to stick around because near the end of this video, we're going to look at a hidden trap in standard Google Drive that allows external contractors to accidentally delete your business files, and exactly how Google Workspace stops that from happening. When you're ready to know exactly where your tech stack stands, I've put together a free Safe for Spaghetti self-audit. It takes less than 3 minutes to complete, and it will show if your business systems are streamlined or if they're a tangled mess of workarounds. The link is in the description below. Let's start with how your clients find you. When you use a free Gmail account, your email address ends in @gmail.com. This is meant for personal use, not business. Now, that's fine for now if you're in your first month of business. Free Gmail is a temporary solution, but it doesn't give that feeling of professionalism and security. And businesses are actually not allowed to use them anymore as of 2024. Instead, Google Workspace connects your email to your actual domain name, giving you a professional email address like your name @yourdomain.com. This is the professional image that you want to project, and it's the one that Google and Yahoo require that businesses use in 2026 and forward. If you already bought a domain name, your digital sign, then let's actually use it to make your business look like the established structure that it is. And let's stay consistent across your website, team emails, and more. The second big difference is control. And this is where businesses usually run into trouble. Standard Gmail accounts are like condos, where everyone has their own separate space, furnishings, and different door keys. You, the business owner, don't have a key to their condo, and they own everything inside. If your team members use Gmail accounts, when they leave, they can take everything they own with them, and you don't have a say in it. Instead, Google Workspace gives you a command center to control everything in your building, your business. The admin panel is your own personal IT department where you hold the master key. Within Google Workspace, your team members each get a key to their own office in your building, an account ending with your domain name. If you need to get something from their office, their account, you don't have to panic. You have the master key to get in anytime and can change the locks, the password, when someone leaves your business. You simply log into your admin panel, reset their password, and redirect their email to yourself. You retain complete control over your business files, your logins, and your peace of mind. And that brings us to the hidden trap I mentioned earlier, file ownership. In a free Gmail Google Drive, every file belongs to the person who created it because it lives in their own account. If a contractor creates an onboarding document or a client folder inside their personal drive, their condo, and shares it with you, you can see it through a window, but they still own it. If they delete that file or unshare it with you, those files will vanish from your shared with me section completely because they were never yours to begin with. But in Google Workspace, you can create shared drives within your domain, your company. These become the shared file cabinets in the middle of the office building to which you hold the key. When anyone, you, an employee, or an outside contractor puts a file into a shared drive, the business owns it, period. It cannot be deleted by an external user, and it stays safely inside your business ecosystem. It is the simplest way to keep your intellectual property safe and secure. Finally, let's talk about how all of the Google Workspace apps work together and can save you money at the same time. Most importantly is that Gmail, Calendar, and Drive are the core of your Google ecosystem. These three apps are integrated with each other in many ways and can talk to each other easily. In addition, there is no need to pay for Microsoft software because you can create Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides right inside your Drive. You can create online forms for free using Google Forms that send data straight to a Google Sheet. No need for other form software. All businesses should have a free Google Business Profile and free Google Analytics account, which are included. And Google Classroom can easily house your training and onboarding materials. You may say, I can do all of that in my free account too, which is true. So what does my paid Google Workspace include that Gmail doesn't? Google Meet inside Workspace has all the bells and whistles, including a longer meeting time and image touch-up, and recording and taking notes, so you don't need to pay for Zoom. You can use Google Chat instead of Slack to communicate with your team because you don't need another login, and it's already integrated with your Google Drive to share files and your Google Calendar to schedule appointments. Appointment schedules and booking pages are built into your Google Workspace calendar, so there's no need to pay for Calendly or other booking software. E-signatures are now a part of Google Docs, so you don't need separate software for that either. Google Tasks are more powerful inside Google Workspace because you can assign tasks to others on your team. And as of 2026, Google Workspace includes 4 powerful AI tools, including Gemini, Gems, Notebook, and Studio. They all work standalone within many of the Google apps, and they can already easily read the files in your Google Drive to analyze them quickly while keeping your business data secure inside your company walls. That's the power of the Google ecosystem. When you use Google Workspace, you pay for one ecosystem of apps that are built to talk to each other. They use one login and can do 90% of what you need to run your business. So remember to start with Google Workspace. Max out all of the apps, features, and tools it already has. Then, and only then, add other softwares and systems to do the other 10%. When you are ready to stop fighting your tools and find out exactly where your business systems stand, click the link in the description below to take the free Save for Spaghetti self-audit to see if your setup has a solid foundation or if we have some digital spaghetti to untangle together. I look forward to helping you succeed.